Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ahlan wa sahlan. Welcome back to the program Read Arabic in a Matter of Minutes. And in this session, we will be looking at the w and the y sounds with long and short sounds, inshallah. So let's first start with the w with the a on top. That will give us wa. Wa in itself is a word and it normally means and. Sometimes it also means while. So if I say huwa wa hiya, means he and she. If I say ana wa anta, means I and you, etc. That's wa. If we add the alif after wa, it gives us wa. Wa in itself is also an expression normally of surprise, where we get expressions like wa, asafa, etc. But we'll come back to those at a later stage, inshallah. Of course, the wa sound can be part of other words like walid, meaning a parent or a father, walid, etc. The y sound has mainly two forms. Like we said, most of the letters have four distinctive forms, or all of them have four forms, but in most cases they change slightly, and in some cases they change actually a bit drastically, such as the kaf, the k sound that we explained before, and the h. The y, if it stands alone or at the end of words, can have this shape. You see, the y. And of course, if it has a fatha, it is ya. If it's at the beginning of a word, it will have this shape, which is also ya. So you see the curl in front is basically removed. So we're just looking at the rest of the shape, but of course it's cut off at the end because it will be attached to another letter. In the middle of words, it will be similar to this shape, but an attachment in front will be added. We'll see that in words soon, inshallah. That's the ya. If we add the a sound to ya, it gives us ya. Ya is often used in Arabic when we address people. We say Ya Muhammad, Ya Ikram, Ya Fatima. In the Quran, it appears many times where Allah addresses certain groups of people or Prophet, etc., where we hear things like Ya ayyuhal kafirun, etc. We will come back to that, inshallah. So ya is an expression. It's sometimes translated as oh. Of course, in modern English, we don't use oh when we talk to people. We don't say, oh, John, I want to tell you a story. We just say, John, I want to tell you a story. In Arabic, it would be Ya John. Although the Arabs themselves also would leave the ya out many times in ordinary conversation or in colloquial forms. Right, so if we have the I sound, then we have the following options. Firstly, the we, the waw with the I will give us we. And if it's lengthened, it will become we, such as we see yeah. So we and we. And the ya will be yi and ye. So that's the long E and E sound, short and long. And then of course, if it has the U sounds, we will find woo, as we see here, woo. And the long one would be woo. And with a ya, it will be you and you. So these will be found in many words. We will just quickly look at the word huwa, where we find the short wa after hu. Huwa means he, as we already mentioned. Huwa, he. And hiya means she. Hiya means she. Shukran jazilan wassalam. Well done. Ahsant. Thank you very much. شكرا جزيلا والسلام.